check your NECO result and also the date, the particular date your result will be out. You need to know how to check your result and the date your result will be out, and we'll just be looking at it in this very video, because I already know that many of you are waiting for your results to be out, your NECO result to be out, especially those that had issues with their WAEC result. Let us now take some time to intimate you on how to go about checking your result. But before then, you need to know the particular day that your result will be out, and also how to lodge any complaint in case you experience any issue. The official result of the 2025 NECO Senior School Certificate Examination SSCE are expected to release between September 1st and 8th of September. That means first week of September, your result should be out. First week of September, your result will be out. The projected release of the 2025 NECO result is early September, like I just showed you. Once available, you should visit to check. Once it's available, of course, here in Noble tutorial, we will be the first to tell you when your result is free, is released. Immediately NECO announces it, we will tell you. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe. Just click on subscribe right now so that you will be able to get all the information you need immediately it drops. Okay? How to check your results. Candidates can view their result by purchasing a token. You need to buy what is called NECO scratch card. NECO is not like, let me show you the scratch card. NECO is not like WAEC. This is the scratch card, right? NECO is not like WAEC that will give you a scratch card in the exam hall. For NECO, you need to buy the scratch card. Some people say 3,000, just somewhere between 3,000 and 5,000. You should be able to buy your NECO scratch card. So once you have your NECO scratch card, you go to this result.neco.gov.ng or results.neco.gov.ng. Candidate can view their result by purchasing a token from the NECO result system. I've told you to check your NECO result, purchase a token from the NECO result portal and use it along with your examination number to view your result on the platform. This is the same portal where results are released for SSCE and BESE examination, because of course you know BESE exam and NECO exam are organized by the same exam body. So you just visit the NECO exam portal, go to the official NECO result portal. I've just showed you the portal. I will still show you again. Select the exam type and year. Select the exam type, whether it's SSCE internal. SSCE internal is if you wrote in a school as an SS3 student. SSCE external is if you are an external student, NECO GCE, then BESE. And the year, just select the exam type and the year. Then buy a token. If you don't have a token, that's scratch card, purchase one through the portal to gain access. Enter the token and your registration number. Just input it and your result will be out. Once you follow this step, within 3 minutes, you should be able to see your result. So I've told you the date and how to check your result. If you have any question, if you have any issue with your WAEC result, your NECO result, your JAMB upload, feel free. Just join our channel, become a member. If you become a member, you can ask me questions. Click on join our channel, then come under and ask me all your questions. If you have any question, ask me when you become a member. If you want to talk to me directly, want to complain about anything, feel free, talk to me, chat me up, and I will be able to guide you immediately. Most importantly, there's an important video on the screen. Click on it. There's a very important video we recommend. Click on it and watch now.